Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a medium rectangle on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the advertising section you can find the third option, the medium rectangle. Select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add a picture to your project, go to the photo section at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures. In the object section you can find different graphic elements which are created by professional graphic designer. Just select one and you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animation which you can add to your project. And if you want to add video, go to the video section and you can upload or search videos. In the music section you can find different music, and if you want to add, just select one and click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.